Hi, this is Alessio Rostani. Welcome to this update. In this video, we're going to talk about gold and silver and what we're expecting for gold and silver for the week ahead, starting Monday, the 26th of September. Okay, so let's just recap on a few things. We've had this really nice looking bearish double top pattern you see here. This double top often spells bad news for that market, which means the market, in this case gold, was going to come down in price and a correction in that market, really. Now, the interesting thing about this is that, we established short positions. So we established a short on gold at the break of this candle. Okay, so we're expecting to have an entry on this on a move down, really from that price around about here, in the 1770, 1780 region here. Okay, now what we're expecting was that gold was going to come down to about 1660, 1650 region here. In fact, I posted this on my Facebook page, which, in case you didn't see, here it was. So I was looking to see gold coming down to 1650, which essentially was the 21-day moving average on its weekly chart. Okay. Now, that's, by the way, on facebook.com/Alessio Rostani. Now, let's have a look at gold here. What it's done now is, let's have a look at the weeklies. So here's the weekly chart of gold. All right, and we have now closed below the 21-day moving average. Actually, it's gone massively below it. And even more interestingly, have a look at this. We have also closed below, or just at, the 61.8 retracement on the Fibonacci, which is that just about below the 1641 region here. Okay, now where are we expecting to go next on this? The next level of support that I see here, okay, if we're seeing a further push, and I think we're going to see a little bit more sell-off on gold, I think. The next level of support, and this is the interesting part, is going to be about the 1600 region. That is the trend line that you see running through here. Okay, so I'd be very interested to see what gold is going to do around this area, which is very close also to the 200-day moving average, this particular yellow line you see here, another key area of support. Okay, so if we're going to see gold coming down, and really what I want to see is the behavior of gold around this whole area. Okay, what is it going to do? Is it going to form some kind of reversal signal? Because believe me, if gold does make some kind of reversal signal, all right, if it shows any kind of sign that it's going to turn around and go back up, I'm going to go long, long, long on this market. All right, because believe me, that's a really good area to buy gold and establish long-term positions on it. And in fact, the interesting thing about also this is, as you can see here on this chart, is the volatility has massively increased too. Here I'm using a squeeze indicator here, and the average true range is also beginning to increase. Okay, so be careful if you are looking to trade gold. You got to be aware that the volatility is increasing here. Okay, so there is a lot of risk involved, especially if you're a day trader. I'm going to quickly mention also silver. Silver is also quite interesting. Okay, so here's silver, and wow, this has been tremendously. I was expecting this 200-day moving average here to hold support on silver, but as we can see, silver has not listened to that support. It's just plunged right through it, and we've actually also broken through this area of support here as well. So the 35 area that I was expecting on silver to hold some kind of support here has now been breached. So where are we going next? Well, the most obvious key area of support for silver looks to be at that 26. Okay, so really about this area here. In fact, if we just zoom out a little bit here, okay, that also will correspond to, let's just put a horizontal line here. Okay, yeah, so this previous low we have here on silver also comes with a confluence. We've got a confluence of two areas. We've got the 500-day moving average on this purple line, plus this previous low at 2647. So the 2647 is going to be an interesting area for silver. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at here on this market. Again, be careful. Average true range is just greatly increasing here. So you really got to be careful of your stops. Allow wider stops in this market. Otherwise, you may get a chance of being stopped out and incur losses. Okay, that pretty much covers what I want to talk about gold and silver. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.